Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the paired half double crochet stitch. So this is a really nice and quick and easy stitch, and it creates a really interesting textured fabric that is quite dense. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 2 for your turning chain.
So to start your paired half double crochet stitch, I'm just going to mark the first chain from my hook because the turning chain is going to count as a half double crochet. So yarn over. In the third chain from your hook, insert your hook. Okay, yarn over first, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops. So this is a half double crochet 2 together, and that's called a paired half double crochet. Okay, and we can start the next stitch straight away. There is no chain 1, that is your full stitch. Looks a bit messy right now, but you start your next half double crochet 2 together in the same stitch that you finished your last one. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch as the last one, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Okay, so your stitch will look like this. And repeat this across the row. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch that you finished your last one, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Okay, and just repeat that all the way across. So it's a nice easy stitch once you get into the rhythm of it. Okay, so I've got 1 stitch left in my row, and I'm just going to do the same again and do another half double crochet 2 together. Okay, and that is your first row of paired half double crochet. So row 2, we're going to turn and chain 1. In the first stitch you're going to make a half double crochet. Just mark that with a stitch, with a stitch marker even. Right, so we're going to do the same again. We're going to be making half double crochet 2 together in each stitch across. And we're going to start the first stitch in the same stitch as our turning chain. Into here, we need that first half double crochet to maintain our stitch count. Okay, so yarn over into the same stitch as your turning chain, pull up a loop, into the next stitch, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5, and just repeat across the row. So it's exactly the same as row 1. Just got to make sure you include that turning chain, that half double crochet to start with. Okay, and keep going until you get to the last stitch of the row, and then make another half double crochet 2 together, finishing the last one in that last stitch. And there you go. The rest of the paired half double crochet stitch, you just repeat row 2 for as many rows as you need.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the paired half double crochet stitch. I would love to see what you make with this lovely stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.